This video will guide you through the installation process for all current MeLe Design Firm Rally Spec battery mounts. This includes the 600 series, 900 series, 1200 series, and ATX series mounts. For this installation, you'll need the following: a riv nut tool, blue Loctite, a 4mm Allen key, a 10mm bit, or optional step bit, a small bit for a pilot hole, a punch tool, and a Sharpie or paint pen. In addition, your kit should come with the following hardware: Special note, this installation shows the optional welding kit installed. Welding is not required if you're using riv nuts or lock nuts. To begin your installation, locate the area you wish to install your MeLe battery mount to ensure it fits, can be properly oriented, and does not interfere with any other part of the vehicle. These kits are designed to be installed anywhere there is a flat metal surface. If you're using a welding kit, clean your area with a wire wheel so that you can get a proper weld. Regardless of hardware choice, also clean your install area of any loose dirt or debris. Place your mount in its desired location. Then, using a Sharpie or paint pen, mark the spaces in your steel mount plate where you intend to use your chosen hardware. A minimum of 3 mounting points is required for safety, although we recommend using 4 points. Spreading that out as far as possible also increases the mount's overall strength. With your holes marked, use a punch tool to make drilling easier. Mark each hole you circled. Use a short drill bit to create a pilot hole in your punch marks. Now, using a step bit or 10mm drill bit, widen your pilot holes until you can fit the rivet nuts or weld nuts into them. Work slowly here to ensure the holes are cut well with no rough edges remaining. With your holes drilled, you are ready to begin inserting your hardware of choice. If you are using a weld nut, clean your area one last time so you have a clean welding surface. Again, riv nuts and lock nuts do not need to grind any metal surface since we are not welding in place. This clip shows the operation of a rivet nut as it crimps into place. This securely mounts a threaded insert that your steel mount plate will secure into. Here's an example of a fully installed rivet nut on our 2000 MR2 project, which has been removed from the vehicle for demonstration purposes. Secure your hardware by either welding, riv nutting, or lock nutting. Weld kits should clean their welds at this time. With your threaded inserts in place, use the supplied M6 bolts and washers to secure your steel-mounted plate to the vehicle. It's recommended not to fully tighten these until they're all in place. Test to make sure your bracket is secure, and then place your MeLe mount on top of it, lining up the holes in your mount with the threaded holes on the plate. Now, loosely install the remaining hardware to secure your mount to the bracket. There will be either 3 or 5 M6 bolts and washers with your Rally Spec kit. Once all your hardware is loosely in place, fully tighten it all, install your battery of choice, insert the locking pin, and your installation is complete. For any additional information on our products, you can find us online at www.meledesignfirm.com.